Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Getter. In this video, we're going to fix the black screen with cursor issue on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Task Manager to disable app readiness. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Click on Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click on File, Run New Task. Type services.msc. Check the box. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now the services window will open. Scroll down and find App Readiness. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Apply and then OK. Method 2. Use CMD to shut down and restart. Go back to Task Manager, click File, Run New Task. Type Command EXE. Check. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now in command prompt, type this command. shutdown/s/f. Press enter, your PC will shut down. Now restart your computer normally. This may fix the issue. If Task Manager is working but issue still exists. Let's try a registry fix. Again, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, open Task Manager. Click File, Run New Task. Type regedit. Check. Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now navigate to this path. Software. Microsoft. Windows and current version. WinLiga. On the right side, find Shell. Double-click on Shell. Make sure the value data is Explorer.exe. If not, type Explorer.exe, click OK, then close the registry editor and restart your PC. If you can't access Task Manager or Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete screen, we'll use Automatic Repair and Safe Mode. Make sure your PC is completely shut down. Press the power button to start your PC. As soon as you see your manufacturer's logo or any screen flash, press and hold the power button for 4 to 5 seconds to force shutdown. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times. This will trigger automatic repair mode. Once in automatic repair mode, click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options again. Option A, use Startup Repair. If the issue is due to a failed update or system error, click on Startup Repair. Let Windows try to fix the issue automatically. Option B, use System Restore if you have restore points. You can also try System Restore to roll back to a time when everything was working fine. Option C, use Safe Mode. Click Startup Settings. Click Restart, press 4 on your keyboard to boot into Safe Mode. Now that you're in Safe Mode, click on Start Settings Apps. Look for any recently installed programs that might be causing the black screen. Uninstall the suspicious or unnecessary apps. Restart your PC. That's it, guys. One of these methods should fix the black screen with cursor issue on your Windows 10 PC. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Like the video if it helped you. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.